In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Trello account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Trello is part of the Atlassian family, so deleting your Trello account actually removes your entire Atlassian account. That affects access to other Atlassian products you might use, like Jira or Confluence. If you only want to leave certain boards or workspaces, consider that instead. Also, if there's anything you want to keep, export, or save it now. Deletion can be permanent after a short grace period, and you may not be able to recover data. With that context in mind, let's walk through the process clearly and carefully. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to delete. If you use multiple profiles or browsers, double check you're on the right one to avoid removing the wrong account. This flow works best on a desktop or laptop so that all menus are easy to see. Next, look to the top right corner of Trello and click on Account. This opens your account menu, where you manage your personal settings. If you don't immediately see the option, click your avatar or initials to reveal the menu. From there, click on Settings. That takes you to Trello's Account Settings page, which provides links to core profile and privacy options. On the Settings page, find and click Manage or Delete your Atlassian account. This link moves you out of Trello's interface and into Atlassian's central account management pages, where changes apply across all Atlassian products tied to this login. You may be asked to verify your identity or sign in again for security. If so, follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Inside the Atlassian account area, click on Account Preferences. This section houses key controls for your account, including the option to delete it. Take a moment here to review any other settings you might want to adjust or export related information you might need before proceeding. Now you'll see the Delete Account option. Click Delete Account to start the process. Atlassian will display a clear explanation of what deletion means. Typically, this includes loss of access to Trello and any other Atlassian services linked to the account, and it may outline timing for when data is removed. Read this carefully so you're fully aware of the impact. You'll be asked to confirm your intent more than once. Click Delete Account again when prompted. These repeated confirmations are designed to prevent mistakes, so pause and be sure you're ready. If you're the owner or admin of any Trello workspaces, consider transferring ownership before proceeding so teammates retain access. Boards you don't own may continue to exist for other members, but your personal access and data will be removed after deletion completes. When the final confirmation appears, click Delete Account one more time to submit the request. In some cases, Atlassian may schedule the deletion and provide a brief window in which you can change your mind. They may also send a notification to confirm that the process has started. Keep in mind that while some content may be deleted on a delay, you'll lose access to Trello as part of this process. If at any point during these confirmations you decide not to proceed, click Cancel. That stops the deletion and leaves your account intact. You can always return later and repeat these steps if you choose to continue with removal after reviewing exports, transferring ownership, or checking impacts across Jira, Confluence, or other connected services. That's the complete path. Go to Trello, open account, head into Settings, select Manage or Delete your Atlassian account, open Account Preferences, and then use the Delete Account confirmations. Take your time with each screen, read the warnings, and make sure any important information is saved beforehand. Thanks for watching, and proceed carefully to ensure you're deleting the right account for the right reasons.